Let's talk about how to create website copy using AI. Now, on your screen, you can see a prompt that I have generated in order to come up with some compelling website copy. And what we're going to do is use this prompt using two tools. Firstly, ChatGPT 4, and then Google Gemini. And we're using the pro accounts on both of these, so just bear that in mind as we are using these prompts. But the idea for this video is to help you come up with good prompts for website copy. And also, we're going to just test this to see which tool we think is best. Now, I'm not going to go through this prompt in depth. Instead, we're just going to go over some of the key details. So I've said, generate engaging and persuasive copy for a landing page dedicated to an AI-powered expense report automation app. Now, this is an app that we talked about in a couple of videos recently where we talked about how to build a no-code AI app. And this is one of the ideas that we had. We talked about the tools that we can use. So this is following on from that video, and it's just going to create the landing page for this. So it's specifically for a landing page. And then what I've done is also talked about the following points: headline and subheadline, compelling headline and subheadline, introduction, the key features, the benefits for people, a space for testimonials, and then a call to action. So a call to action so that people will actually take action when they go on the landing page. And then at the bottom, I've just put here, ensure the tone is professional yet approachable, and tailor the copy to appeal to business owners, finance teams, professionals frustrated with the traditional expense reporting process. So that's the tone that we're going to go for. This is a very detailed prompt, and that's going to end up with getting what you want first time. Now, once you've done this prompt, know that you can always go through, regenerate the prompt. You can take the output from one tool and put it into a different tool and say, can you make this better, more compelling, etc. So think of this as like creating your first draft. You can then go through and analyze it. And one more thing about this that I think you'll find really useful is that you can also take the website copy that you have now, enter this into one of these two tools, and then ask those tools to make this better, to improve upon what you already have. Let's start the next step and go to the two tools. So here we are on ChatGPT 4 and also Google Gemini. Now, I'm not using any specific GPTs here. I'm just using ChatGPT 4. So we're not tailoring this to suit our style or anything else. I'm just going to copy and paste it in. So I'm going to paste it in here, enter, go over to Google Gemini, enter the prompt here. Now you can see that this is starting to build out now. And here's some landing page copy to promote your awesome, they think it's awesome, AI-powered expense reporting app. And what this has done here is it's broken it down into the headline, subheadline, introduction, key features, benefits, testimonials, call to action, and additional considerations, which is really cool, in fact. ChatGPT has broken it down like this. Headline, subheadline, seems like a larger introduction, and they've given it a title, Smart Expense, which is kind of cool. And then you can obviously just take that out and use the name that you're going to use. Then it goes through the key features here, goes through the benefits, testimonials, and call to action. Now, what I find interesting about both of these is that if you look at this, they've just broken it down in terms of what we've asked for, key features, benefits, testimonials, etc. So they haven't really given it where you're given a title of the different sections. So it's just listed key features. It's just listed benefits here. And the same for Google Gemini too. Key features and benefits. Now, in terms of the copy, it seems definitely that ChatGPT has a lot more copy to it. It's probably double the copy of what Google gave us, or about 1.5 times of that. So that's something to bear in mind as well. Now, one thing here, again, this is giving you the first part of it. What you can easily do is say, okay, copy the key features and say, can you make this into more of a conversational flow? Can you make it a little bit more where you're flowing through it, where it's not just bullet points? And then that can take that and then put it into the copy that you're looking for. Now let's just compare the headline. Expense reports made effortless. AI streamlines your workflow. Revolutionize your expense management, effortless automation awaits. So both of these are pretty good. I think I prefer ChatGPT. And then again, what you can say is, can you give me 2 more iterations of the headline? Subheadline, transform tedious expense reporting into a streamlined automated journey, saving time and enhancing accuracy. And then ditch the spreadsheets and reclaim your time with automated expense management. I think I prefer this one here, where it's a little bit more direct, ditch the spreadsheets. I think that kind of matches the tone of what people use with apps these days. And then the last thing we'll go through is the introduction. The traditional expense report processing fraught with challenges, hours spent on manual data entry, the headache of error-prone reports, and the constant battle to ensure policy compliance can drain your team's productivity and focus. Introducing Smart Expense, the AI-powered expense report, etc., etc., etc. So this one, with the introduction, what they're doing is they're saying, this is your problem. We're stirring the problem. Here is the solution, which is our app, which I like this when it comes to copy. This one is very simple. If expense reports feel like a drain on your time and a source of errors, you're not alone. So you're not alone is a very common term when it comes to marketing and landing pages. Then it says, our AI-powered app transforms this tedious task into an effortless, rules-based process, ensuring accuracy and compliance. Actually, one more thing, call to action. Ready to experience the future of expense management? Sign up for your free trial today. And the call to action down here is ready to streamline your expense reporting process and boost your team's productivity. Sign up for a free trial or demo of Smart Expense today and experience the future of expense management. Transforming expense reporting with Smart Expense, where accuracy meets efficiency. I like that one as well. So I think all in all, ChatGPT has come out a little bit better here. Another thing to bear in mind is having the design of your landing page and the different sections, and then getting the copy to match that. And one of the things is, with some landing page builders now, they actually have the ability to generate copy inside of that landing page using OpenAI's API. Let us know what you think about this in the comment section below. And if you want to learn more about using ChatGPT and other AI tools, then check out our playlist. I'll leave a link in the description. And then go to nocode.mba to learn about building with no-code tools. As it says here, you can get full access to 60 plus curated courses and projects. And these teach you how to build apps, websites, and automations using no-code tools. So go to nocode.mba or click the link in the description to learn more about that. And then if you're new here, subscribe to the channel where we share free resources, tutorials, etc., all about no-code tools and AI. And then like this video if you enjoyed it. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.